community organization and sector overcame inequality and barriers, what that would look like, it would be that people are powerful in their own bodies because they understand how to clean their lymphatic system as well as how to nourish and regenerate their body functions using plant-based living and fruit. And then once that knowledge kicked in, the community would be transformed. We would be planting fruit orchards at public and private spaces and faith-based institutions. We'd also have urban mini farms and suburban mini farms and a vibrant local food system led by people who do the growing. GWYA works in the field of urban agriculture, and as growers we're changing the way we eat. Those are dynamics that we can control. Policies are someone else's field, but the barriers that we want to overcome are the way that we've been trained through television and propaganda and marketing to eat a particular way, which is high animal protein, high starches and breads, and high dairy intake, and also changing the way academics have been trained to believe in the superiority of Western medicine. The dynamics that organizations and communities are facing are how the society in the United States has traditionally funded and supported a food system that is toxic. It's based on high animal consumption, high petroleum consumption, and a need for dumping a whole bunch of toxic chemicals. Those toxic chemicals have also been subsidized inside the medical industry, inside of pharmaceuticals. So one of the biggest barriers that we face is that agroecological farmers, seed savers, permaculturalists, people who are producing food in these sustainable systems are underfunded and undervalued when compared to the subsidies that go to corporate agriculture and medicine. We're engaging with all groups and all demographics. What we know to be true is that the youth from 6 years old to 24 years old are the most dynamic group of people that we can be working with. And that's the ones that we really want to get involved because they have the future investment to tend with. The youth in America have a strong desire for sustained energy, beauty, peak performance, abundance, and wealth. And when we can make it clear to them that that's tied directly to the health of the planet, that the way their body feels has everything to do with the way we're treating the planet. So if we understand how our system works, our body system works, our lymphatic system and our digestive system, then we'll re-engineer cities. We'll have cities that are engineered with clean, vibrant sewage systems as well as clean, vibrant food production systems. The biggest barriers for youth engagement have to do with the legacy that we've left them as adults. So, first of all, they have drained adrenal systems which lower their capacity and their energy to get up and do anything, keep them depressed. They also have clogged immune systems, lymphatic systems that cause them to fall ill a lot. And when you're falling ill or you have acne outbursts or cancers or depression, health becomes your personal health becomes your primary focus, and you can't think about serving humanity or the population or your community. The other strong thing that they have to contend with is the fact that there's been so much environmental degradation based on the lifestyles that people my age in their 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s chose to lead.